You see? Wow, what's up, good people? Hope you all doing good. Hope you all amazing. Another vlog, another video is about to go down from Mama Jaden's kitchenette and lifestyle again. So as usual, your girl, your woman, mom of two, wife to one, queen of recipes. She's about to grace your amazing screens with mautamu. Ushaisikia utamu? Lakini nasema utamu wa chakula. So on this amazing day, I'm about to make ordinary mandazi with 5 ingredients. It's going to be simple but yummy. So our ingredients of the day are here. We have very hot cooking oil. This is where the hack is. Then I have a tablespoonful of baking powder. I have 1 cup of sugar, but you can add it either less or more. I have 3 eggs here. I have 2 tablespoons of margarine. Then 1 liter of cold milk. To mix my dry ingredients, the baking powder and sugar. The dry ingredients are properly mixed. So what I'm going to do, I'm using this hot cooking oil. I want to rub in the entire flour. You be careful on this because this is very hot cooking oil. So this is how you go about it. So after rubbing the flour in hot cooking oil, this is how it looks like. So I'm proceeding to add margarine. Again, you rub. So our dry ingredients are here, properly mixed, and these are 3 eggs. 3. Then we add little by little milk. This dough needs to be, not soft, not hard, to give you good results. So at this point, my dough is properly mixed. So I get it off here onto this surface. Cooking has to be fun. Fun. Enough of that. One more, and last one. I wanna divide this into almost equal balls. And the last ball is here. We roll the balls. We roll the balls. We roll the balls. This is how we roll the balls. So, when you make the chapati to be too wide, your mandazis are going to be hollow. They are not going to have anything inside. So you try and come up with a thickness similar to a slice of bread. So you see, this is almost you just estimate like that of a size of bread. At least your mandazi is going to have some, it's going to be compact inside. It will not be hollow. So with shapes, you just make shapes of your choice. For me, I'm going to work with triangles, squares, That is what I'm going to work with. You see the thickness. But if you love them hollow, you can make a bigger chapu. While I was doing all that, I was preheating my cooking oil. This is how you get to know your oil is ready. You dip in a wooden stuff. When you see the bubbles, it means your cooking oil is ready. So guys, and finally our mandazis are here. So this is how they appear on the outside, very appealing to the eye. Let's see how they appear from inside. You see, it has some stuff inside, and it's very soft, by the way. Almost like a cake. So to my returning subscribers, welcome home. To those who are tuning to this channel for the first time, please kindly consider making this home. And how do you make this home? You make this home by subscribing onto this channel. You click on that subscribe button, and if you happen to watch this video, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe, because we will make this channel grow to the next level.